Hello, hello, hello. So this is a wig that I started to make for a customer, but unfortunately I didn't get the right measurements from her. So I'm about to take it down and try to make it again. This is a seam ripper that I got from Walmart. It was about $1 or so, less than $2. They have longer ones as well. That's about $4 or $5. Now what you want to do is put the tip of the seam ripper underneath the stitches that you can see, but not too deep where you are cutting the weft. You should still be able to see the metal of the seam ripper underneath the mesh cap of the wig. And then as you can see, just pull it through and you're good. This was just a short little video I wanted to make because I'm a part of a couple different hair like Facebook groups and communities, I guess if you want to call it, and I hear questions about how can you take apart machine sewn wigs, or I'll hear comments that it takes forever to take them down, but actually this only took me about 20 minutes. My grip was kind of weird for on camera, but off camera I was just plowing right through it. I don't know why I thought it'd be a good idea to paint my nails before this video. Well, and there you have it.